How to add extension repositories in your Cloudstream. So first of all, in your Cloudstream, go ahead to your settings in the bottom right corner and then just press on the extensions. Over there, you're going to have to press on add repository. So once you press on that, you will get this little option where you're going to have to put in the repository name, which is optional. So the important one is the repository URL. So to get this short code, you're going to go to your preferred browser while your Cloudstream is still open. You can close it, but you're still going to go ahead to that section anyways. But in your preferred browser, just search for Cloudstream extensions like so, and go ahead to Cloudstream Wiki. So it's usually the first link that pops out. So go ahead and press on that. So it's gonna lead you directly into a list of extensions. You can go ahead and download or have a direct install, not really download, but you can go ahead and copy. So go ahead to your list of extensions. You can go ahead and choose whichever you want. Let's say you want the, let's say, Fisher repo. You can go ahead and open this up and copy the URL. So you're gonna go back to your Cloudstream and then paste it over here. Then press on add repository. Then that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and use that extension inside your Cloudstream itself. So that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.